Look familiar? That's because it is. Here's the repair we did last week. One of the residents here stepped on this, and as you can see, it's cracked. This whole building is done in CPVC, and I think the mains are Schedule 80. But these mains right here, they're all plastic. I kid you not. It's wild. Anyway, this is 1.5 inches, and so we're just gonna replace it from here over. So, all right, let's get to it. Pretty simple stuff. The hardest part of this job is that the elevator here doesn't work. This is the 8th floor. I have to climb the dang stairs every time, dude, and I left the freaking pipe in the truck, so gotta go get it. All right, here I go. Pretty simple. don't know what they did with the screws to that, because the guys took it off of there before. Oh, there's one. There's one right there. But anyway, that's it. That's all it took. I'll let that cure though. It says 6 hours on the freaking bottle. But I've read 24 hours for larger diameter pipe. So, I don't know. But I'm not going to turn it on today because I got to go. I'll come back tomorrow and turn it on.